Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram blocked account on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram blocked account, you should just go to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, as you see, and when you will see this list you will go down to Instagram here. You will find it here, and then in this page you can go to click force stop. When you will click for stop, you will enter to storage here like this, and you will find this page. You will go to click clear cache here, and you will go down here clear data, and you will click here, as you see, and after that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.